Imagine this. You've just placed an order online, and within minutes, instead of waiting days for a truck to roll up to your door, a drone appears over the horizon, carefully lowering your package to your doorstep. Or perhaps a small, sleek robot weaves through city streets, navigating pedestrians and traffic, delivering your groceries right on time. Sounds futuristic, doesn't it? Well, the future is here, and it's powered by artificial intelligence. Autonomous delivery is no longer science fiction. Companies like Amazon, Google, and a wave of startups are racing to transform how goods are delivered. At the heart of this transformation is AI, artificial intelligence, that powers drones and robots, allowing them to navigate the complexities of our world with little to no human intervention. Today, we're diving into the rise of AI in autonomous delivery and how drone and robot couriers are reshaping the logistics landscape. Let's start with how it all began. The origins of autonomous delivery. The idea of using drones and robots for deliveries started as more of a dream than a reality. Traditional delivery methods, trucks, vans, and couriers on foot, had been the backbone of the logistics industry for decades. But with the explosion of e-commerce, especially companies like Amazon offering fast delivery, the pressure to innovate became more intense. Customers wanted their packages faster, cheaper, and more efficiently, and companies began searching for alternatives to conventional delivery methods. That's when the concept of using autonomous drones and robots began to take shape. Drones, originally used in military operations or for recreational purposes, soon became prime candidates for delivery. Their ability to travel quickly over short distances without getting stuck in traffic made them ideal for fast deliveries in urban and rural areas alike. Meanwhile, robots, capable of navigating sidewalks and urban landscapes, seemed perfect for what's known as the last-mile delivery challenge, the final leg of the delivery process from a local distribution center to your home. But the technology had to catch up with the dream. Early prototypes of drones and delivery robots were impressive, but they were far from ready to handle the unpredictability of the real world. How could a drone avoid obstacles like birds, trees, or other drones? How would a robot cross a busy street or avoid tripping over uneven sidewalks? These questions needed answers, and that's where AI came into play. How AI makes autonomous delivery possible. Artificial intelligence is the engine that drives autonomous drones and robot couriers. It's what gives these machines the ability to think and make decisions in real time. AI allows drones and robots to process vast amounts of data from sensors, cameras, and other inputs, and then use that data to make informed decisions about where to go and how to get there safely. Let's break it down. When a drone is in the air, it's constantly collecting data from its environment. Using sensors, it monitors its altitude, speed, and position. Cameras scan for obstacles like trees, buildings, or birds. And GPS technology helps it stay on course toward the delivery destination. All of this data is fed into an AI system that processes it in real time, making decisions like adjusting the drone's flight path or slowing down to avoid a sudden gust of wind. The same goes for delivery robots. These robots are equipped with a range of sensors and cameras that help them navigate the urban jungle. AI allows them to recognize crosswalks, avoid pedestrians, and even communicate with traffic signals to cross streets safely. Without AI, these robots would be like blind tourists, lost in a busy city. But AI doesn't just help drones and robots navigate. It also makes them more efficient. Machine learning algorithms allow these delivery systems to learn from past deliveries, constantly improving their routes, reducing energy consumption, and optimizing delivery times. For example, a robot might learn that certain streets are more crowded at particular times of the day and adjust its path to avoid delays. AI is the key to making these systems not only functional but highly effective. Real-world applications of autonomous delivery. Now, you might be wondering, where is this happening? Well, autonomous delivery is already being rolled out in several real-world applications. In rural areas, companies like Zipline have been using drones to deliver medical supplies to hard-to-reach locations. These drones can travel hundreds of miles across rough terrain, providing life-saving deliveries where traditional vehicles would struggle. In urban areas, companies like Neuro are using autonomous delivery vehicles to transport groceries and takeout. These robots are small, electric-powered, and designed to navigate through busy streets. With Neuro's robots, customers can place an order online, and instead of a delivery driver knocking on the door, a robot arrives. The customer simply opens a compartment, grabs their groceries, and the robot moves on to its next delivery. And it's not just small startups getting involved. Amazon has been heavily investing in drone delivery through its Prime Air program. The idea is to use drones to deliver packages under 5 pounds in under 30 minutes. While it's not yet widespread, Amazon has already conducted test flights in several locations, proving that the technology works and can scale. What's more, autonomous delivery is not just about speed. These systems are eco-friendly. Traditional delivery vehicles contribute significantly to urban congestion and pollution, but drones and robots are electric-powered, meaning they reduce the carbon footprint of deliveries. With the growing demand for sustainability, this eco-friendly approach makes autonomous delivery even more attractive for businesses and consumers alike. Challenges and limitations. Of course, it's not all smooth sailing. Autonomous delivery still faces several significant challenges. One of the biggest hurdles is regulatory. Drones, in particular, are heavily regulated by aviation authorities around the world. Governments need to ensure that drones don't interfere with commercial air traffic or pose risks to people on the ground. As a result, the rollout of drone delivery has been slower than many companies would like. Weather is another obstacle. Drones can handle light rain and wind, but extreme weather conditions like heavy rain, snow, or strong winds can ground them. Likewise, robots may struggle with icy sidewalks or flooded streets. While AI helps navigate many challenges, some situations are simply beyond the technology's current capabilities. There are also privacy concerns. As drones and robots collect data through cameras and sensors, some people worry about how that data is used. Could these devices be hacked? How secure is the data they collect? These are questions that regulators and companies are working hard to address to ensure that privacy and security are maintained. Despite these challenges, the potential for autonomous delivery is too great to ignore. With ongoing advances in AI and robotics, many of these issues will likely be resolved in the coming years, opening the door to even wider adoption of these technologies. The future of autonomous delivery. So, what's next for autonomous delivery? Well, the sky's the limit, literally. As AI continues to advance, we can expect drones to become smarter, faster, and more capable. Imagine a network of drones crisscrossing cities, delivering everything from groceries to prescriptions in a matter of minutes. With faster response times, autonomous delivery could revolutionize industries like healthcare, where time-sensitive deliveries could save lives. On the ground, robots will continue to evolve as well. We could see robots delivering packages in residential areas, with more advanced AI allowing them to interact with humans, avoid complex obstacles, and operate in all weather conditions. These robots might even deliver directly to your front door, garage, or even your refrigerator. In the next decade, autonomous delivery could become the standard. No longer will we wait for days or rely on human couriers. Instead, drones and robots will handle the logistics, making deliveries faster, more efficient, and environmentally friendly. Autonomous delivery, powered by AI, is no longer a distant dream. It's here, and it's reshaping the way we think about how goods move from place to place. Drones and robots are taking over the skies and streets, making deliveries faster, more efficient, and sustainable. While there are challenges to overcome, the future of delivery is bright, and it's arriving at your doorstep sooner than you think. So, the next time you place an online order, don't be surprised if your delivery arrives on the wings of a drone or the wheels of a robot. The future is here, and it's powered by AI.